What makes PetPeePee different from the rest? Very simple. When I clean the rug, I never use a scrubber. I clean the rug through the rug. So everything that is in the rug will go through the rug and flush out to the sewage. This process is not involve any soap, deodorize, enzyme, chemicals, none. Healthy environment, blended minerals from the Dead Sea, eatable. When the rug arrive home, put your nose whatever you want. Nothing like a blanket of wool. No deodorize, no chemicals, healthy. So when you walk on the rug barefoot, you're not going to absorb any chemicals to your body through the rug. Healthy environment, safe. PetPeePee. We are the only one guarantee in writing urine odor removal permanently. We never deposit any odor to mask the other odor. No, we just simply remove it naturally by using the old recipe, the Dead Sea minerals. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee.